Bag secured. Never shop on an empty stomach. Let's see if we go get this bike. Alright, we got the bike. It's red, you know what that means. I can see the panties dropping right now as we drive by with this thing in the back. I can't wait to show y'all what it is. 01 Honda fire-breathing Widowmaker CR250. He was asking 28, got him down to 24. I really don't think it's a bad price at all for what we got. She's mint. Needs a couple things. He said, actually, we'll just get it unloaded and I'll tell you everything about it. Here she is. One owner, low hours, got a title for it. All original parts. All original. This thing is a true barn find. I'm glad we got this. She's clean. Should see the air filter, dude. Dumb clean. Airbox, dumb clean. Check, check, check. He said that the gas might be a little old, but I'm gonna give it a rip right now just to see. Just to see. How many kicks you think? It took me 3 while I was there.
No, let's go with the 1. A warm up.
1 kick. Definitely needs to be cleaned up just a little bit. Clean up that carb. Fresh gas. See what's up with this throttle sticking. God, can't believe it. Cannot believe it. What do we got our hands on here, Dino? Woo! Alright, it's been about 2 days now since we got the CR250. We're gonna start tearing it down today. Get into it, see what we need. Get it ready to hit the track. The reason I paid the price that I did. Fresh air filter. Box is clean.
Please, oh God, forgive me. Gotta tell you what I did is kinda evil. Could've made a deal with him, but honestly don't need to tell me.
10 mil drain bolt. Uh-oh. Oh, uh-oh. Yeah, make sure you pull off your rad cap or else it's gonna start splashing everywhere. But it is splashing everywhere. I should get a towel. This is a good one. Ah, it's getting everywhere. Uh-oh. I'm not the master mechanic today. Uh-oh, uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Oh, SpaghettiOs, here we go. Really leaking, alright.
Devil, would you give your soul for free? Well then come on, devil, won't you sell your soul to me? Look at this moment in place.
Day 2, back with the CR250. Got everything pretty much pulled off, pulled the wheels off, chain off. Got all this bagged up and clogged up with blue shop rags. Head, got the pressure washer hooked up. Give her a nice scrub down and see if we can't get it shined up.
I'm doing it for the reactions. One who will laugh in your face and one who'll be paying the taxes, yeah. I gotta get back in the pace, I gotta wait for the relaxing, yeah. Why you be napping, yeah, pick up my napkin, yeah. Look at this moment in place, see that I'm open to taste. And you couldn't go but a fake, loving the words that he says. See when I'm up in your place, too many up in your place. Too many faces, too many places, yeah. Please, oh God, forgive me, gotta tell you what I did is kinda evil. Could've made a deal with you, but honestly don't need to tell me, devil, would you give your soul for free? Well then come on, devil, won't you sell your soul to me? Playtimes, there over these demons in my shoulder. I've been standing all day long, it's tough when you don't take off. 8 days in the daylight, I want some, so play right. I'm dressed well with that halo, these angels, they don't know. Look at this moment in place, see that I'm open to taste. And you couldn't go but a fake, loving the words that he says. See when I'm up in your place, too many up in your place, too many faces, too many places, yeah. Please, oh God, forgive me, gotta tell you what I did is kinda evil. Could've made a deal with you, but honestly don't need to. Tell me, devil, would you give your soul for free? Well then come on, devil, won't you sell your soul to me?